Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. I'm so pumped for this video. Today I get to show you guys the Spring 2020 Performance Series color releases. We have 10 brand new colors that you have never seen before. They are launching today in ready-to-spray Performance Series gallons and car kits. So first things first, I'm gonna sit down with you guys. I'm gonna walk you through the new color set, show you each color one by one. It's an awesome set of colors that covers a whole bunch of different colors and tones. Then we're gonna pick one color. We're gonna go full scale on the S4. I am so excited. Enjoy the video. So we're gonna look at each color and then create a lineup for you. The first one we're starting with is Lava. This is a fiery red metallic. Next one up is Persian Blue. This is a super saturated deep blue that has green, blue, and even purple color shifting properties. This is Fresh Mint. People have been asking for a mint color for years now. This is Cyber Gray. This is like Nardo Gray's slightly lighter metallic cousin. This one is Concord. This is a deep, smooth purple. This is one of my favorites. This is Frosted Pear. It's like a funky fusion of like a lime green with a metallic blue highlight. This is a complex one. This is Candy Plum. This is kind of a mixture of some deep reds, deep purples all blending together. This is Poison Grape. This is one of the most saturated colors that we have. It's a deep purple, high saturation with a very, very strong metallic effect. This one's Wintergreen, very fresh, very cool color. It's got awesome soft green tones with gold highlights. And this is Deep Space, super dark, super deep, almost black in low lights, but green, blue, and even some purple highlights on the color shifting side. So this is the 2020 lineup of the new Performance Series colors. A little bit of something for everybody. So we wanted to show you guys one of these new colors full scale in today's launch video. So what we did is we went to the DYC Facebook community and we put up a poll. We put all 10 colors up and let everybody vote, and the winner wasn't even close. You guys picked Deep Space. I think it was like 200 for Deep Space, and the next one was like around 50. So you guys definitely want to see Deep Space. We're going to drop it right now on the S4. All right, guys, the Deep Space car is done. It looks absolutely beautiful. We're gonna take it outside here in just a second to check it out. Now, remember, Deep Space, along with the rest of these 10 brand new colors, are all Performance Series gallons. That means they are super user-friendly, easy to spray, great coverage. They level real flat and smooth. They feel nice to the touch, and they have specialty and metallic finishes right out of the gallon. That means you don't have to spend any extra money on pearls or top coats or anything to get an awesome finish. And now we even have some color shifting effects in the Performance Series line, which is awesome. Now, if you want to check out these new colors, click right up here. It'll bring you to the Performance Series car kits. And if you have any questions at all, you know what to do. Chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or call in, because we really enjoy talking to all you guys about the different projects that you're working on. Now, enough of that. Let's go outside and check out Deep Space. Don't worry, if you had your eye on any of the other new colors, we are going to do an individual video full scale for each one of them. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. I will see you guys on the next video.